it. Good deal, good deal. Now just switch it out. Do that, switching it out. What's that? That's fine, yep, that's fine. Just like that, then, yeah, there you go. Then you just paddle him in. All right, ladies, now switch it out, okay? Remember, this first scenario is active victim, guys, okay? Active victim. Active victim. Using your stand-up paddleboard to get the active victim. Now, about at that first buoy line there, Jessica. Then your rescuer will come and get you. And when you get out there, just ask her to get on the board, because she's conscious, she knows what she's doing. Good job, guys. That's it, that's it. Now, how much you weigh, Mason?
220.
How tall are you?
6'7".
Whoa, 6'7", 220.
I got it. Keep going. Got it. Yeah, all right, go be passive.
Now go to the passive scenario, okay? Now you're gonna go passive scenario, ladies, okay? This one's a little physically challenging now, okay? You have to work a little bit on this one. Yeah, all the way to the buoy line, guys.
Okay, Kate, I'm ready.
Jessica, we're going to record you doing the whole thing. You're going to be famous here, Jessica.
Yeah, Jess.
Yep. That's it. Flip it over. Hey, good, good. Now remember where you want her head to be at, so you got to think ahead, okay? And remember, cross her arms, and then put your weight on her wrist. Now, hey, now Jessica, grab the board with one hand. Now, hey, Jessica.
Easy for her knees.
Hey, Jessica. Slide her up a little bit, and then put your knee closer to the edge of the board rather than the middle of it. Yeah, now reach up. Now put your knee closer to the edge.
Yep.
Now. Hey, hey. Go, that's it. Kick. Help her out. Kick. Go ahead.
Push.
Switch it out. See if she can do it on you. See how your knee's coming? You want to keep your knee right there. That's it. And then pull. Big pull.